Hi viewers, welcome to the Technocrat channel once again. As usual, we look at the technology, look at tricks, look at errors, various technologies from phones, computers, and all other technologies. Today, have you ever been there and tried to share Wi-Fi password to a friend? Wi-Fi password that you're already connected, or an administrator gave you a password and you've forgotten it and you cannot find it. The only place you can find it is your computer. That's what you're going to look at today. Stay tuned, and when you helped or when you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to like or comment, or ask any questions. What else we should talk about? Any technology. Please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. So let's get going. To access the password of an already connected Wi-Fi, here are some of the steps. First, you'll come to your main menu, your taskbar, and go to the sub menu. Here on the wireless tab, you see I'm connected to the TBS internet connection. When I click here, it will bring the TBS connection and we are connected. So how do we view the password of TBS connection? Actually, this stands for Tita Benam Seranga. Those are my names. Well, here are the steps. Come back here to the sub menu. You right click on the icon, on the wireless icon. You go ahead and click on open network, internet settings. Mind you, we are using Windows 10. It could be different for Windows 7. If you need us to show you how it's done on Windows 7 or any other operating system, we can still show you. So under this window, we shall go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Network and Sharing Center, and here you'll click on Wi-Fi. It will show the TBS network that I've connected to. You'll click there and it will bring this small window here, and then you'll click on Wireless Properties, then Security, and it will pop up this security type, encryption type, and the network security key. Then you'll just click on Show Characters. Simple as that, and voila, here is the password. You can either copy it and paste it somewhere, or save it somewhere, or you can write it down and you can share it with a friend. That is one way. Well, there is another way that can lead to the same destination. Another way is you look for control panel. This can work also in Windows 7. Not sure, I've not done it, but I'm sure it can work since it has control panel and all the features that are most in Windows 10. Come to Internet, Network and Sharing Center. It will bring us to the similar menu that we are at, and come to Wi-Fi, connect it to, come to Wireless Properties, come to Security, Characters. There you go. That's how you view the password of an already connected Wi-Fi. If you want to share it with a friend, or you want to note it down somehow, not to forget it. Sometimes you might switch on your computer and accidentally you forgot the password and the computer is disconnected, and you may need it for future reference. Yeah, that is it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, the like button, or comment, and you can send me an email if you need any inquiries or you have anything you would like us to talk about here. Otherwise, thank you very much.